The Electoral Commission has been silent. Even when Sabyabakama came, it was not firm and it was not clear. He did not condemn the injustice, he did not condemn the violence meted on us, and he did not condemn the continuous blockage to do against us, blocking us from addressing our rallies. Now, to the people of Uganda, these are all meant to scare you. These are meant to deter you. These are meant to discourage you. It's important to mention it. To the international community, you all are watching what is happening in Uganda. The East African community is watching what is happening in Uganda. The African Union is watching, and the United Nations is watching. And I wonder whether you are waiting to see a massacre in Uganda so you can act or you can speak out. We are aware that the regime is provoking the citizens so that the citizens of Uganda can respond with throwing rocks in order for the regime to get justification to massacre them. We are aware that they want to carry out a massacre akin to what they did on the 18th and 19th of November in 2020. We call upon the international media to speak out and to act and to call out on General Museveni and his officials to respect the commitments of human rights that they are signatories to. Otherwise, it's as if the international community is waiting for the killings, just like what happened in Tanzania, in order to condemn them thereafter. To the people of Acholi, we salute you. We salute your resilience. Even amidst that gross intimidation, the beatings, the electrocutions, the tear gas, you came out in large numbers to listen to our message. We salute you. We don't take that for granted. They do that to provoke you to violence so they can massacre you and silence you. But we thank you for being disciplined, but for being assertive.